Do you know why some people never seem to grow as a developer even though they spend years in this field? There are various factors involved, and one of those reasons is not understanding the underlying principles of programming. These are not just some theory concept you learn once and forget. These are the real stuff that will actually make you grow faster as a developer. Let's start with first principle, Boy Scout rule. This principle comes from Boy Scouts in America. So basically, they have this one simple rule: leave the campground cleaner than you found it. I don't know how many of you know Uncle Bob, but he is the one who popularized this concept among programming community, which is the practice of leaving code slightly cleaner than you found it. When making changes to an existing code base, the code quality will often degrade, which can increase the technical debt. And technical debt can be reduced by continuous improvement, no matter how small it is. Suppose, for example, you were assigned a task to make a change in the value in this function. You did it, but you can see that the variable naming is not understandable enough. So like most developers, you could just ignore it and commit what you were assigned. But if you follow this principle, you would also change the variable name to something more understandable. This is just a simple example. Not just variable names, but if you see anything that can be improved, just do it. And just this simple gesture will be really valuable for the code base. Second principle, avoid premature optimization. So what this means is, don't try to make your code faster before it actually needs to be fast. First, make it work. Only then, optimize if needed. There was this famous quote by Donald Knuth: "Premature optimization is the root of all evil." Which is true, because programmers often waste most of their time worrying about the speed of non-critical parts of their programs. That's because they have been fed this concept of optimizing everything. This principle is not against optimizing your code base. It's about understanding what needs to be optimized and, most importantly, when to optimize. And I think this is weakness of most developers, because I have seen people using microservices even though they have 100 users, or adding a caching for something that is not even required. Third principle, write code for the maintainer, which simply means when you write code, you should write in such a way that the future developers who will maintain your code won't have a hard time managing and understanding it. That's because the code you write today will be maintained by other developers or by yourself. If you now just focus on making it work and don't focus on clarity, then in future if you need to come back to the code, you will have a hard time understanding what's going on. Just look at this example. Both of them work and do the same exact functionality. But which one would you prefer to see in your code base? So the takeaway is, whenever you write or generate code from AI, always make sure that it's easier to understand and maintainable before you commit your work. So our fourth principle is called YAGNI, which is just a short form of "you aren't gonna need it." So this principle simply means you shouldn't build something you don't actually need, or just because maybe you'll need it in future. Because most developers have the habit of predicting what they might need in future. But most of the time, they are never going to be used and just add extra complexity to the project. Always remember this. If you are working on something that may require in future, you are not giving your time to the thing you currently need. Fifth principle, do the simplest thing that could possibly work. So what this means is whenever you face a problem, always choose the simplest solution that would actually work. Don't overthink it. Don't over-engineer it. Just ask yourself, what is the simplest thing that could solve this right now? This idea comes from extreme programming, which tells us to build something simple first, then refactor it into something better. Most developers don't realize this, but they often try to build the perfect solution from the start, which eventually overcomplicates their solution. With this principle, you get a working code sooner, and even though you have to change later, it is usually easier than fixing a complex design that was wrong. And trust me, as a developer, realizing when you are over-engineering something is very important. So these were the 5 programming principles that you should start implementing right away. Apart from these, there are also other principles which I haven't covered in this video. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments and I'll create a second part for this. For now, let's do this much. Make sure to show some love and I'll see you guys in the next one.